My soul is like a super, super hot sun, like plasma sunlight thing. But anyways, and that's where this whole connection's going later. So if you by happen to chance to rip your body off and put your physical vessel in the box, just know that I see it through your belly button. There's like this golden-ish cord that connects you to your body, to your energy body, to your astral body, to your oversoul, whatever, your energetic, the thing that can leave your physical body, you know, when they talk about out-of-body experiences. This gold cord is connected to your physical vessel while you're alive, and it connects to your energy body or your light body. Yeah, okay. Even using these terms, I'm like, bleh, because I've always been a dark baby. But still, I can't help what's come through. So we're just going to use it, whatever. Plasma light body, whatever it is. Energetic body. There's a gold cord that connects, for me, it's from the belly button to the belly button. And then my body's like safe and locked away, and there's that connection. And then I can just go off. If you want to do that, you don't have to. You can just put like your worries, your doubts, your concerns, whatever, your hesitation, and anything that's not clear. Like I've literally put sometimes like unclarity, like unclearness. Like I put it in the box because I want things to be clear, right? Okay, and then once you're in that place, I'm not going to take you through the whole gateway process scenario, because if you want to experience that for yourself, you can. I'm going to just sort of take you through the basics to keep you safe, keep you in a good, safe place, feeling that will allow you to release control and let your consciousness do its thing. Because a lot of this, I start the process, then the energy comes in and it just goes. And then I'm literally just along for the ride. I'm witnessing it. It's happening to me, through me, but my conscious brain is not on the driver's seat. Okay, it's like my higher consciousness is on the driver's seat. Okay, so once you have your box, you put whatever it is in there. Then you put your hemisync on. The first visualization, and this is so simple, but this really kicks it off every time. Just start thinking, visualize a DNA coil. A DNA coil. However it looks for you, look at it. See it in your brain. Once you have this image in your brain, it may start doing its own thing. You may see it like flicker. You may see that it's broken. You may see that some parts of it are dormant, whatever. It may be vibrating, it may be different colors, whatever it is, just let it go. At this point, you're just gonna let it go. And you're just gonna visualize your DNA. After you have that for a couple of minutes and you're sitting with it, and it's moving or whatever it's doing. If it isn't, then it isn't. Don't force this. The more you do this, the more you go back in and activate your DNA. You can even visualize a drop of blood and zoom in until you see your DNA. Whatever it is, your whole intention in your mind is DNA activation, right? When you're initially going into this process, that's your intention. So that's why you're focusing on your DNA. First, you're getting acquainted with it. What's it look like? What's it move like? What's it feel like? Then you're specifically going to think to yourself, junk DNA, because that's the term that has been used, or dormant DNA, or ET DNA, alien DNA, otherworldly DNA. Yeah, did you see that? An orb just like come out of my chest and okay, anyways. Yeah, see, as soon as you start talking about DNA, stuff starts happening. So just, yeah, and you might feel, and it helps to have something over your eyeballs, cover up with a blanket, put an eye mask on if you have an eye mask. but just keep breathing, because after you've established your intention and you visualize DNA, I'm sorry, I went ahead of myself. Then before you even start this process, because this is what keeps you safe, because I'm not kidding you when I say you can feel the room shift. You can feel the energy in the room shift. You feel like you're not alone in the room anymore. And this all can be like very, very startling. And this will take you out of your super conscious state, which will it'll affect your process. You won't be able to just relax and go with it, because you'll be feeling energetically things that will cause your human alarm bells to go off. Okay. So energy conversion box. Then however this looks for you, they taught